Okay, these are very handy. These are for the Nikon. These are for the Canon. These are Sony. The Sony one, I just got that one. They're a little different. You can take a picture. These are Bluetooth. They run off the camera. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi. This one here is a Nikon Z30 I'm using. It has Wi-Fi 5 on there built in. Okay, while the Sony ZV-1F, which this is compatible with, it is Wi-Fi 802.11n. Okay, but you can just transfer. But that's the Wi-Fi. But these are Bluetooth. They support Bluetooth. Okay, so you set up the Nikon had it came with a remote control, but it's basic. This is LED readout, so OLED, so you can see what's happening, and I can record, which I'm recording now, and when I'm finished recording, I can hit it again and it stops recording. Now, if I want to take a picture, I can press the button here and I can take a picture, and I'll take the picture. You can take as much without ever going near the camera. Okay, so what happens? You say, "Gee, what happens when the camera shuts off?" Well, yes, but you have it on, so it's in standby mode. So you would have to press the power button on this a few times, and then it'll connect again. You don't have to repair it. Repair, repair. Pair it again. Repair. Okay. This has function 1 and function 2. That's what the Nikon has. So you can set those up if you want to use that with this. And you have the OK button and up and down, so you can scroll through. So that has the same features. But on the Sony, it's different on the Sony. With the Sony, it has ZF, C1, and what does it say? Oh, you can do autofocus on here. This one, you can't, but you see how they work. But it comes in handy, and I like the OLED feature, so you can see what's going on. Yeah, but they do work though. I'm using it right now, and by the way, I'm gonna get ready to shut this off. All right.